It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, smart entry key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.